Hello class 4. So we are here with chapter number 4 of your Sunshine book. So children, as you can see, the name of the chapter is Health is Wealth. Do you understand? What I mean to say means if health is there, all wealth is yours. But if you own wealth and you're not healthy, then that wealth is of no use. As these days also, our health is much more important than our wealth. Whatever the wealth we have, we can only use if we are healthy. हमारे पास जो भी चीज़ें हैं we can only use them if we are healthy, particularly in these days of COVID. So children, health is wealth. This is a chapter about a man who is not healthy. He is very wealthy, but he is not healthy at all. And to become healthy, he tried all his best. But you know what made him healthy? That is only one thing which is very important, like these days also, that is very important. As you people are locked down at home, you're not able to move here and there, so you need to be very careful about your health. Health is not that you're so healthy, you're putting on weight. No, your weight should be balanced. It should not increase too much. You should eat balanced diet and healthy diet, not fatty diet. Being fat is not being healthy. Being fat is actually becoming unhealthy. If you are fat, it means you are ill, you are sick. And there's no medicine for that. So this chapter is also based on this concept. So let us read the story of a village headman. Headman कौन होता है? जो village का head होता है. And he was not locked down actually, but he himself stopped moving. Why? He stopped moving. He was so ill. The reason of being ill was no movement, and the consequences of being ill were no movement. So there's a lot of confusion. Let us all see what is the confusion. That is, let's read the chapter. You'll come to know. Page number 28. So children, the proclaimer shouts to make an important announcement. The headman of the village is ill. The person who cures him will get a reward. So proclaimer, who's a proclaimer? He's the person who makes the announcement in the village, in the city, or anywhere. The person who makes an announcement, जो announcement करता है, that person is known as proclaimer. So proclaimer जो था वो shout कर रहा था. He was just making an important announcement. What was the announcement? The announcement was कि headman of the village जो है, he is ill, and the one who treats him, cures means treat, जो उसको ठीक कर देगा, will get a handsome reward. Reward मिलेगा उसको. Why such an announcement? Of course, there's a reason for it. जब किसी चीज़ की announcement होती है, that means there is a serious reason behind that. So children, the headman of Phulpur is ill. It is not an ordinary illness. It is an illness, the medicine for which is not even known to the best physician. Due to this illness, the headman has become not weak or thin, but fat and obese. See children, so there is something very serious. If headman of Phulpur is ill, that means it is not an ordinary, एक simple सी illness नहीं है. There is something very serious. It is so serious that for this, even the doctors, the best doctors, do not know the medicine. इसकी medicine ही नहीं पता किसी को भी. Suppose like these days we are having COVID, and our doctors, they took 1 year to make the vaccine for that. So it can be a most serious disease to the village headman whose medicine is not known to any doctor. कोई डॉक्टर ही नहीं जानता उसको क्या मेडिसिन चाहिए. So that means he was very serious. And due to his illness, इस बीमारी की वजह से headman was not becoming weak. Weak नहीं हो रहा था वो, but he was becoming fat and obese. Obese means हिल भी नहीं सकता था, बहुत lethargic हो गया था. So what do you think is the headman's illness? अब आप लोग भी सोच रहे होंगे कि उसकी illness ऐसी क्या है, ऐसी क्या बीमारी है उसे. Now the headman is in such a position that he needs the help of his attendants to make him do all his daily chores. अब हेडमैन जो है इतना बीमार हो गया है कि वो ऐसी पोजीशन में आ गया है कि उसको अपने अटेंडेंट्स की हेल्प चाहिए अपने काम करने के लिए, डेली का वर्क करने के लिए. he needs his attendants. Attendants कौन? हेल्पर्स की ज़रूरत है उसको अपना काम करने के लिए. he can only sit when he is made to sit by his attendants and lie down when he is assisted to do so. So अब वो खड़ा भी होता है तो हेल्पर्स की हेल्प से, लेटता भी है तो हेल्पर्स की हेल्प से. Now standing and walking is just out of question. अब बैठना और लेटना, it is with the help of helpers, so there is no question. सवाल ही नहीं उठता कि वो खड़ा हो जाए या चल सके. He is so ill. बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. How did the headman reach this condition? इस कंडीशन पे वो कैसे पहुंचा है? This happened not because of any illness or disease, but because of lack of exercise and by overeating. See children, जो आजकल आप लोग कर रहे हो, lack of exercise. आप exercise नहीं करते हो और just बैठे रहते हो और overeating करते हो. Due to lockdown, you people are just eating and sitting at home. You're not exercising. So children, this was the reason of that person's, the headman's illness. वो कोई exercise नहीं करता था और बस खाते रहता था. He was eating too much. The poor headman keeps lying in his bed, waiting for his attendants to help him sit and then lie down. अब वो क्या करता था? वो सिर्फ बेड पर लेटे रहता था and he used to wait for his attendants to come and help him sit and lie down. बैठने में भी और खड़े रहने में भी, उठने में भी और लेटने में भी उसको अपने अटेंडेंट्स की हेल्प चाहिए थी. Now, announcements were done earlier too, but nothing happened. Physicians came and went, taking away fat fees. बहुत से physicians आते थे, अपनी बहुत सारी फीस लेकर के चले जाते थे, but nothing happened. कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. Okay, now the announcement has become a regular feature in the village. अब daily announcements होती थी village में. A poor old lady named Ramabai also hears the announcement. अब गांव में एक और poor old lady रहती थी जिसका नेम था रामाबाई. वो भी इस announcement को सुनती है. रामाबाई, though old, अब रामाबाई old है, is hard working and intelligent. वो hard working भी है, intelligent भी है. अब देखते हैं वो क्या करती है. She somehow understands the real cause of the headman's illness. अब हेडमैन की इलनेस का उसको पता चल जाता है. रियल कॉज क्या है, एक्चुअल में इसकी वजह क्या है. शी केम टू नो. क्योंकि अब तक बहुत सारे डॉक्टर्स आए फैट फीस लेकर के, मतलब ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ फीस, बहुत ज़्यादा फीस ले लेके चले गए, बट ठीक कोई नहीं कर पाया. अब उसका माइंड स्टक करता है कि एन आइडिया स्ट्राइक्स हर माइंड. शी मेक्स अ प्लान टू क्योर द हेडमैन. अब उसको समझ में आ जाता है कि एक्चुअली व्हाट इज द रीजन behind the headman's illness. उसको समझ में आ जाता है. Now he makes a plan. Ramabai tells no one of her plan. किसी को नहीं बताती अपने प्लान के बारे में. And she packs a bag, ties her hair up in a bun. वो फटाफट से जूड़ा बनाती है and goes straight to the headman's house. सीधे headman के house में चले जाती है. She looks like an experienced physician. एक वेल नोन डॉक्टर की तरह लगती है वो, वेल नोन डॉक्टर की तरह लगती है. आफ्टर सल्यूटिंग शी सेज, अब जाके उसको पहले विश करती है, एंड देन शी सेज, ऑनरेबल हेडमैन, आई हैव कम हियर आफ्टर हेयरिंग अबाउट योर इलनेस. आपकी इलनेस को के बारे में सुनने के बाद मैं आपके पास आई हूँ. I am not an ordinary physician. You may call me the empress of doctors. वो कहती है कि मैं एक ordinary physician नहीं हूँ, ordinary सा doctor नहीं हूँ. I am the empress of doctors. Doctors की रानी हूँ मैं. The headman is impressed and allows her to start treating him. अब headman जो बहुत impress होता है और बोलता है कि okay, you start treating me. Ramabai bows before the headman and says, उसको बो करती है, मतलब विश करती है सर झुका के, एंड शी सेज, देयर इज वन कंडीशन, यू हैव टू डू व्हाट आई टेल यू टू डू. बोले तुमने वो सब कुछ करना पड़ेगा, मेरी कंडीशन ये है कि जो मैं तुम्हें कहूँगी यू विल हैव टू डू दैट, करना ही पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज माई मेडिसिन विल नॉट क्योर यू, वरना मेरी मेडिसिन आपको हेल्प नहीं करेगी. ओके, नाउ द हेडमैन इज इन अ फिक्स. फिक्स मतलब फंस गया. मानता हूँ तो पता नहीं क्या करवाती है मुझसे, नहीं मानता हूँ तो मैं ठीक भी नहीं हो पाऊंगा. बट देयर इज नो अदर ऑल्टरनेटिव. अब उसके लिए और कोई रास्ता ही नहीं है बट टू एक्सेप्ट रामाबाई's कंडीशन. रामाबाई की कंडीशन उसको माननी ही पड़ेगी. Ramabai then tells the headman that there is a simple routine he has to follow. अब रामाबाई फर्स्ट थिंग क्या बताती है, एक सिंपल सा रूटीन बताऊंगी, यू विल हैव टू फॉलो दैट. एक टाइम टेबल बना कर दूंगी, वो आपको फॉलो ही करना पड़ेगा. इट इज एज सिंपल एज प्लकिंग 5 neem leaves every morning फ्रॉम अ पर्टिकुलर ट्री. कितना सिंपल सा काम है, आपको सिर्फ क्या करना है, 5 neem leaves every morning, एक ट्री की रोज आपको तोड़नी है. This tree stands about 500 steps away from the main gate of the headman's house. अब हेडमैन के मेन गेट से 500 steps, 500 कदम अगर हम चलते हैं, 500 कदम चलते हैं, इतनी दूरी पर there is a neem tree, right? There is another point to be kept in mind. बोली कि अपने मेन गेट से वहां जाकर, ट्री पर जाकर के आपको क्या करना है, you have to pluck those neem leaves from that tree. There is another point to be kept in mind. एक और बात भी याद रखनी है आपको. Only one neem leaf is to be plucked at a time and is to be brought back to the main gate of the house and then chewed. करना क्या है आपको, मतलब एक बार में एक ही नीम लीफ तोड़ करके लानी है, वहां से नीम की ट्री तोड़नी है, अपने मेन गेट पर आकर के उसको खा लेना है. ओके, इन दिस वे 5 neem leaves are to be plucked and chewed daily for 30 days. इस तरीके से आपने क्या करना है, डेली 5 neem leaves आपको प्लक करनी है and then you have to eat them. Only 5 leaves every day. This is only what you have to do. Chalo. For how many days? For 30 days. He has to do this for 30 days. Okay. Without any break in between. बीच में break नहीं लेनी है, लगातार करना है ये. This has to be performed by the headman himself and not by anyone else. अब कोई और नहीं करेगा ये. You only have to do this. This was the condition and this was the treatment. Okay. To get cured, the headman starts following Ramabai's advice. अब ठीक होना था. The headman had to start following her advice. Now, but the headman finds it difficult to follow the instructions in toto. अब in toto means total में सारी instructions follow करनी उसको बहुत मुश्किल लग रही थी. It was so difficult for him. On the very first day, he walks down to the neem tree with great difficulty and with the help of a dozen servants. Dozen means 12 servants. pulls down a leaf. Now वेरी फर्स्ट डे को बहुत मुश्किल लगा उसको जाना, और फिर 12 सर्वेंट्स की हेल्प से एक लीफ तोड़ी उसने. आफ्टर कमिंग बैक टू हिज हाउस ही रिलैक्सेस फॉर द होल डे. अब 5 लीव्स खाने के बाद में सारा दिन वो सोया. ही वॉज वेरी टायर्ड. देन नेक्स्ट डे रामाबाई कम्स टू फाइंड आउट हाउ द हेडमैन इज डूइंग. नेक्स्ट डे वो फिर आती है उसके पास देखने के लिए कि क्या हाल चाल है. However, she encourages the headman to continue the treatment. फिर भी anyhow उसको he makes his mind again कि you have to continue the treatment. The same incident is repeated the following day. Next day भी same उसको करना पड़ा. 5 neem leaves he had to eat. As the days passed, surprisingly, the headman finds that he is able to walk up to the tree on his own. अब जैसे जैसे डेज निकलते गए उसको लगा कि मैं तो डेली अपने आप ट्री तक जाने लग गया हूँ. नाउ ही डिड नॉट नीड इन द हेल्प ऑफ एनी हेल्पर्स टू गो टू द ट्री. देन ही रियलाइजेस दैट ही इज नॉट सो टायर्ड आफ्टर रिटर्निंग फ्रॉम द ट्री. फिर उसको लगा कि अब तो मैं थकता भी नहीं हूँ. He now enjoys the walk to the tree and back from it. At times he even looks forward to it. अब वो enjoy करने लगा अपनी walk को. और sometimes तब उसको दिल करता था कि जल्दी से next day आए और मैं फिर से जाऊं. Now after 15 days, the headman feels much better. 15 days के बाद उसको लगा कि मैं तो better feel कर रहा हूं. He appears to be somewhat thinner एंड मोर एनर्जेटिक. अब उसको लग रहा है कि मैं थोड़ा पतला भी हो गया हूँ और मुझ में एनर्जी भी ज़्यादा आ गई है. What a surprise! At the end of the 30 days, the headman can not only sit and stand up all by himself, but also walk. See, miracle! It was a surprise. जब 30 days पूरे हुए, headman, he did not need the help of his helpers, attendants to sit and stand, but he could also walk himself. अपने आप चलता था. He is happy that Ramabai has made him realize the importance of exercise and the disadvantages of overeating. अब उसको पता चल गया कि रामाबाई की वजह से he has realized, उसने realize किया importance of exercise. Exercise कितनी important है हमारी life में. And overeating is very bad. And he promised, as a promise, the headman gives a bag full of gold coins to Ramabai. अब reward देने का time आया. Now he gave a bag full of gold coins to Ramabai. Now Ramabai returns home as a rich and famous woman physician. अब रामाबाई क्या बन गई है? एक rich और famous woman doctor, physician बन गई है वो. Everyone in the village is happy for रामाबाई. अब हर कोई खुश है रामाबाई को देखकर कि वाओ, जो डॉक्टर्स भी नहीं कर पाए, रामाबाई हैज डन इट. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन टू आस्क यू. द हेडमैन हैज अंडरस्टूड द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ एक्सरसाइज. हेडमैन तो समझ ली इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ एक्सरसाइज. ही हैज स्टॉप्ड यूजिंग हिज हॉर्स कैरियज एंड स्टार्टेड वॉकिंग. अब हॉर्स कैरियज पर जाने की बजाय ही हैज स्टार्टेड वॉकिंग. द विलेजर्स ऑल्सो वॉक. The villagers to walk most distances. Now children, can we also do the same? During this lockdown, children, do some exercise. Do some exercise. Otherwise, you will also become obese and ill. And it will also increase your immunity. Exercise and eating the right food keeps us healthy. Children, please do exercise because this is going to increase your immunity. It's going to boost up your immunity. So children, some part of exercises we will do now only. So come to the part. First question. It is an illness, the medicine for which is not even known to the best physician. Why was it so? So children, why was it so? Because the headman suffered from no illness. बीमारी तो उसको कोई थी नहीं. Therefore, he could not be cured. इसीलिए वो ठीक नहीं हो पा रहा था. Next, the headman fell ill because of Yes, not exercising and only overeating. Who was Ramabai? She was a poor old lady. What was the cure of the headman's illness? What was her cure? क्या इलाज हुआ उसका? The walk from the main gate of the house to the tree and then back to the gate. कितना simple सा cure था. Now match the following. The proclaimer. Who's a proclaimer? Shouts to make an announcement. What did he do? Then Ramabai is hardworking and intelligent. Then third, due to his illness, the headman is becoming fat. मोटा होता जा रहा था. After 30 days, the headman can sit, stand up and walk by himself. Now children, come to the next page. We have here, you can see on page number 32, 3 pictures are given. You have to match the statements with the picture. So the very first day of the treatment, you can see how was the village headman? The village headman was too fat on the very first day. You can see. So sorry, this is done wrong. Yes, no, this is correct. The very first day of the treatment, see, you can see he is not able to pluck the neems himself. Then after 15 days of treatment, you can see here, he can stand on his own. And after 30 days of treatment, you can see that he has become smarter, thinner. Patla bhi ho gaya, right? Then we have a reference to context here. There is one condition. Who said this and to whom? Who said this? Children, Ramabai said to the village headman. B part, why did the speaker say these words? क्यों कहता है? The speaker said these words because she wanted to cure the listener. Listener को ठीक करना चाहती थी. And what was the condition? The condition was just to follow the instructions of the speaker. D part, did the listener fulfill the condition? Yes, the listener fulfilled the condition. Children, it's a request to you. See, I am reading the chapter line by line. I also want you to pronounce the same pronunciation. Just copy me. Because you don't do the reading. In Zoom classes, we cannot do the readings like this. So children, please try to imitate me. ठीक है, जिस तरीके से मैं रीड करती हूँ, प्लीज़ आप भी रीड कीजिए. And these are the answers to the reference to context. You can just pause the video here and note down the answers. Beyond this, grammar part we will do afterwards. Because first we will cover up the chapter adjectives in your grammar book. After that, we'll take up the grammar part of this chapter. Okay, children? Have a nice day and goodbye.